Hello po! Good morning! Before I start our topic for today, let's do the intro. Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since I posted a video. So anyway, here I am. Wait, where am I? Here I am. There. So anyway, nagano ako dito I did the cuttings para uh, to plant more of the herbs that I bought from my friend Joy. So guys, if you want to buy some herbs or other plants, I will paste the link below later. Okay, so anyway, we made these cuttings, and then there is a little bit, oh, not really a little bit, it's a huge disaster happened here. I planted some garlic here, and I think it was a cat, not a rat, a mouse, or a dog. It was a cat. So, yun, nagdig dito ng hole, sinira talaga, oh. Kahit itong aking nasira, oh my God. Matagal din kasi ako hindi naka-update. It's because we've been busy preparing for the baptism, birthday, and then at the same time sa business po namin yun. Kaya hindi medyo na look after. So yun, these are some of my cuttings. They're growing really beautifully. And then ito din kasi nga may nangaykay dito. Ayan. Meron na sana pero ito transplant ko to para ma-rescue. Tsaka ito din yung mint. transfer ko na to para padami pa. Ito naman yung spearmint. Ayan, meron na ring root. Ay, nako. This is one of the thing pag hindi araw-araw check yung mga mini projects mo yon. Ito kasi yung stress reliever namin na mag-asawa. Especially me. Yan. I started this 3 months ago. Wala lang. Kasi every time I look at this house, kita nyo naman, medyo na-depress ako ng konti. Kasi medyo matagal na rin kasi ito hindi natapos. Kaya yun. Ngayon ko lang ngayon ko lang isinishare kung bakit ba or paano ba ito nangyari. I'm trying to make this camera in front of me. So, ganyan na lang. So, yun. So, medyo matagal siya pa bago siguro ito matapos. And something came up in my mind na why not? I'll make this area a vegetable garden. I've seen a lot of people doing the same thing as what I did here. And sabi ko, makatry nga. And then since I started this, it really did a big change sa life ko. Yun. There's still many things to do here. Kaso nga lang yung oras na talaga yung kailangan. So, hopefully, in God's perfect timing, siguro din namin to. Again, mabigyan ng full time kasi yung oras nga namin akit nandito to check a little bit and then labas na naman. Doon na naman kami sa field. Kaya yon. So anyway guys, sa mga nag-subscribe, thank you so much. And hope you guys this is something for you guys to learn. Paano nyo i-divert yung stress, yung pain, yung anger nyo through doing this kind of indoor vegetable garden. You don't need a big space for this. Kahit yung maliit lang. Our next project will be hanging plants na naman para at least yung mga gaps dito. Gusto ko kasi yung mangyari dito, yung vision ko kasi dito, puno siya Puno ng vegetable, puno ng fruit, for my family, for my friends, or kung sino man yung mag-visit dito sa property namin, and then they'll enjoy whatever the labor that we did here. And then yeah, so most of these plants, most of this vegetable and fruits that we grown here are personal consumption lang po. But at the same time, we are so glad that sometimes some of my friends who came and visit, they have the um this opportunity now, if they want that one, if they don't have that, they can ask. And I'm very open, and I share my blessing also to them. So yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Update ko na lang po kayo next time. Thank you. God bless.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.